Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use automated Bitget trading bots. I'll walk you through every step. Let's start with setting up your free Bitget account. Once you're inside the Bitget platform, navigate to the Bots section. Here, you'll find a variety of free trading bots. Today, I'll show you how to set up the Spot Auto Invest Plus bot, one of the best available on the platform. Click on the bot and it will open a new setup page. On the right-hand side, you'll see options to configure your bot. Start by selecting the trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT. You can also switch to manual mode if you prefer to customize your setup further. Once you've selected BTC, click Confirm. Next, choose the frequency of your investments. You can set the bot to invest daily, weekly, or any other interval that suits your goals. For this example, I'll select Daily. Then choose when you want the bot to start. You can select immediately or schedule it for a future date. I'll select Immediately. You'll also set the amount per period. The minimum amount is 10 USDT. After setting the amount, enable the Earn Boost feature to maximize your earnings. This feature automatically subscribes your assets to a flexible savings account, generating additional profits. Click Create, review the details, and confirm. Your bot is now active. You can monitor its performance and modify its settings at any time. For instance, you can change the investment time or frequency. All trade details will be visible in your account. Let's talk about why this bot is so effective. First, it accumulates Bitcoin, an asset that has historically increased in value over time. Second, it simplifies the process, making it ideal for beginners. Third, it automatically reinvests your earnings, leveraging compound interest to grow your portfolio. It varies depending on market conditions. Some bots start making profits immediately, while others may take longer. It's important to remember that no bot can guarantee profits, as market fluctuations are unpredictable. If your funds are in the Earn account, first redeem them to your Spot account. Then click Withdraw to transfer the funds to your wallet. To convert crypto to fiat, go to the Buy Crypto section and select Fiat OTC. You can also use peer-to-peer trading for direct bank transfers. Regular investments, even small amounts, can grow significantly over time. Second, think long-term. The longer you stay invested, the higher your potential returns. You can use online calculators like the Bitcoin DCA calculator or the compound interest calculator. These tools help estimate potential returns based on your investment strategy. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.